Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. And today, we got our hands on the Phomemo label printer, model D30. Had a little problems with the camera, so lost the video on the first unboxing, so we're unboxing again so you get to see it. This is the front of the box, left of the box, right of the box, bottom, top, back of the box. We got ours in a nice green color, and this is a nice thermal label maker. It slides up to open. We have the device itself, printed instructions, and the USB cable, as this does recharge. It's got a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It has the micro USB cable, which is the little D-shaped one instead of the USB-C, which is a little unfortunate. As I really enjoy the universal nature of the USB-C. The device itself, we have the front, the power button, side, the back, other side, the bottom of it where the charger is and where you can put a little wristband on it or some other kind of locking device if you want, and the top where the labels come out. We can pop this thing open. You can see it comes with some of the tape for the label making. I'll give it a little look over there. This is a Bluetooth device, so we'll have to kind of configure that. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to hear a review on the device after we've gotten a chance to use it. We didn't know whether or not this would actually come with a label. It's good that it does, but we did buy separately as a 3-pack of clear labels. That's kind of what you can expect when you're buying a replacement product as well. We have the instructions. All of these. And then it starts in different languages as well on the back. Alright, this wraps up our video. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment on what you would like us to unbox next. Thank you very much.